hypothesis needs to be tested in a more rigorous way. The maximum production of chocolate in U.S. The current labor force is more competitive than it had been for a long time. We can discuss education in the tutorial next week. Professor Tim Lee invented World Wide Web. The website has probably the most attractive layout. Before reading Chapter 1, you must refer to the lecture notes first. The result of the study will be published next month. We are delighted to have Professor Robert to join our faculty. Many young people spend more time with their friends than with their family. Most of our classes are within a walking distance from each other. The final exam will test material from all chapters covered in class this term.